Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about the government of Hungary, fully funded bilateral scholarships. These state scholarships are for international students to study masters and PhD in Hungary, absolutely free. We'll show the full process for this. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this Hungary scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are in the respective descriptions and also in the about section of the YouTube. You can see all the links are there. And on Instagram, you can see all the links are published there as well. And you can directly message our team on Instagram and ask for the link, or you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashnook.com. And once you are on our website, you can read about this particular opportunity. So here are some brief details. So this scholarship will be hosted by the Hungary, a part of European Union, and you can complete your postgraduate as well as master's scholarship and some undergraduate scholarships as well, and PhD scholarships included. Then eligible countries, almost all countries are eligible for this bilateral state scholarship. It will be a fully funded scholarship with a 4,680 euros of living stipend, and no IELTS is required for this opportunity. Deadline will be 19th of Feb 2026 to apply for this particular scholarship. So this scholarship is offered by the Tempus Public Foundation, same who offer the Stipendum Hungarian scholarship. So you can apply for this scholarship. And eligibility criteria, you must be non European, or you can say non Hungarian citizen, and you should hold a secondary school graduation outside of the Europe or outside of the Hungary. Meet other basic requirements. For a master's should have a bachelor's, and for PhD should have a master's and bachelor's degree. Benefits of this scholarship: you'll be getting full tuition fee coverage for all studies, and some courses might have short duration of the scholarships as well. Comprehensive support for doctoral studies. Monthly stipend of 1,40,000 will be given, approximately 390 euros. For non-doctoral, there will be around 120 euros per month, and additional support will be given. Accommodation or equivalent contribution to housing costs, health insurance, and cultural immersion will be given as well. Required documents for this will be application form that will show you valid passport or identity card, proof of language proficiency of previous education in English, and an simple certificate of like transcripts, degree certificates, and motivation letter. Then a preliminary acceptance letter, if issued by any university that you are applying to, you can submit that as well. And then International Office of Hungarian Education document. So how do you apply? Simply scroll down at the end, you can see click here to apply. Click on this link to start application. Now once you click on that, you can see information for applicants. So all the information is given here: partner countries, available scholarship types, national scholarship offices for foreign countries, financial provisions, call for application. You can see for the academic year 2026-2027, eligible countries and scholarship types are given here. So you can see scholarship types: semester or partial studies like 3 to 10 months, full degree studies like 36 months, 24 months, 36 or 48 months for bachelor's, master's, or doctoral degrees. So all the scholarships here are for bachelor's, master's, and PhD. Like last night, this was not open to bachelor's, but they have opened it to bachelor's as well. Deadline is 19th of Feb, and you can read the document of call for English, call for application in English language, and you can see application guide as well, and you can see the link to apply. So you can see different summer courses, short courses, semester scholarships, or full degree scholarships are also available here. For example, you wish to go for bachelor's, master's, or PhD scholarships, so you have to click on this link to start online application. Here you can see online application system. So we'll be starting here, so click on this link. So once you click on that, you can see the Tempus Foundation official website is here. You can scroll down, you can see current applications: Hungarian State Annual Scholarship, International Scholarship, Collegium Hungaricum Campus, and other scholarships are also open at the moment. These were closed, so these scholarships are closed. And now you can see all details. For the first time users, you have to click on registration. So you can see register at the end. If you scroll down, enter a username, create a first name, last name, email address, confirm password. So just sign up. So once you sign up, so let me show you the email that they sent. Once you sign up, you will receive a link of like this, a registration. So you have to click on this link to activate the account. I already have signed up, so I'll uh, simply log in with my username and password. All the username and password or registration details are on the same page. So now I'll tick this and click on enter. So after you submit your username and password that you create, you can see we have been taken to the dashboard. For the first time users, there will be uh, this type of information required. So you can, let me show you how the dashboard looks when you log in for the first time. So this type of dashboard will be there for the first time users. So you have to click on this start new job or document here, and then you can translate this page. Let me translate this page to the English language here, and you can see call for application for foreign citizens. On the second, you can see full degree studies scholarship. So you have to click on this start button here, and once you click on that, you can see bilateral state scholarships. So you can click on this link and your application, we have already started an application, so we are required to complete that here. Here you can see our application has been added, so we'll click on this. And so deadline is 19th, so you should complete the application within deadline. So now you can see details, registration number has been created, application deadline is already mentioned there. Now you can submit the field of science. If you wish, you can choose from the list, for example natural sciences. Then country of season, choose from the list. So you can see different countries are there. If it's not found there, so you can mention here. So you can choose from the list. It takes some time sometimes, so be very patient in this. So some countries are not listed here. Let me just choose an example here. For an example, I'll choose any of the countries as mentioned here. Later I'll change that. So planned period of study, for example 48 months, and planned study date of scholarship. So I'll go with the June 1st here. So it will be by default added. Level of training you applied for. So I'll be going for bachelor's. And host institution you have to choose here. So I'll be just choosing any of this. Let me choose Hungarian University of Agriculture and Life Sciences. Host faculty, you can just mention the details here. Host professor's name, who is offering you the position, if in case you already contact. Field of study that you have already chosen here. Language, so mention English here. And were you in Hungary for scholarship in past 3 years? So we were not, so just select that. I think save button is there. Let me just check. So I think now click on save or click on submit. Compulsory plan. Okay. Date has to be mentioned here. Planned end date. So now let's click on submit. It's processing. So next is the documents that you have to upload. Copy of your passport, degree, language, acceptance, motivation letter. So let me upload these quick documents. Click on the plus sign here. Click on choose file. So you have to do it one by one here. So let's see. Now click on upload. Same way you have to upload all mandatory documents here which are listed. Click on upload. Done. And English proficiency certificate, that's the medium of instruction. You have previously completed your higher education in or previous school education in English language. Now letter of acceptance, you can see sample here as well. In case you have doubts, you can ask the professor that kindly send this form filled or send a mail so that you can submit that. Now upload the motivation letter. Let me attach that. Click on upload. Now done. So you can download the application form here as well. Let's download this, generate merge it file, so you can see. Now you can download. Your application file is here that you have filled, so you have to sign it and upload the signed. This document you have to sign and upload back. Let me upload it. Here I have. Click on upload. So now ready. Click on submit. Processing. And instead of next button they have given the submit button, so you can see the let's see the group name or go back to the home page. As of now our application has been submitted, so let me just cross check once again. If you start a new job here, full degree studies, you can see you already have started an application, so we have done this. So it might take few seconds to reflect on the dashboard. Yeah, application is already completed, so that's why it's not showing here. So you can also my to-do list, or you can just check stats of the application once it's updated here. As of now we have completed the process, that's why it's not there. It has been submitted, so that's the simple process. uh, for the case of countries, you need to check if your country is eligible to apply for this particular opportunity. You can see eligible countries and scholarship types, so click on this and you can see eligible countries here. So almost all countries are there eligible. Some might need other information, like there are different scholarships, as you see. Like short term courses, all countries are eligible. For full time, some countries might not be eligible, so you have to check it from the list here. So as you see in the list, almost all countries are eligible. You can see from the page, two pages are there, and our country is also eligible here, you can see. So you can see for the study visit and summer course, some countries are eligible, and for full degree courses, some countries are eligible here. So you should check first which course you are eligible, then only choose from the list and apply for that. I hope you enjoyed this session. You have doubts anywhere, just ask us in the comment section below or directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. Also on the Instagram, directly message our team. They'll answer your queries there. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Please share this video with your loved ones and family. And visit our website fullscholarships.net for more details on these scholarships. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.